She asked for something adventurous, and what could be more adventurous than facing your fears? Today, we're going canyoning. This is Ash's special birthday surprise. Our adventure today brought us to Ledro, Italy, which is about a 20-minute drive from Riva del Garda.
Can you see how sparkle?
The tour was organised by LOLgarda, and we have only positive things to say about the team. We selected the bestseller Canyoning Magic Rio Nero, and this is how it went.
I don't really like water, and I'm quite scared. So, yeah. Good confidence with water.
With Asha feeling more confident than ever, it was time for us to kit up. All of the equipment is provided for you, including the helmet, the wetsuit, the harness. The life jacket is not mandatory, but if you want one and you're scared of water, then you can take it with you. You're allowed to take GoPros, DJI action cameras with you, and they do provide you, but you can't see now because it's in the phone, the case for the phone. Also, the shoes they provide for you at a charge of €5. Everything else is included in the price.
And she likes the little man that goes on the side of a ride and is doing this.
And on that note, the adventure begins.
She said that I looked like I knew what I was doing by putting it on. Is it how you put it on?
Of course, what goes down must go up, or something like that. The tour starts with a 20-minute hike to the top of the river. Now, you'd think after all of these years living in Austria, we would be used to hiking and walking up mountains, but you would be wrong. When they said you'll get wet, I didn't think they meant from sweating from the hike up. And after a 20-minute hike, we're here and ready to go.
Not yet ready.
Not yet ready. After a quick safety briefing from our guides Andrea and Lisbeth, it was time for us to jump in. Literally. Wow, that was a big jump. It looks so small from here, like 7 meters to the water. It felt like I was in the air forever. Of course, you didn't have to jump if you didn't want to. Asha chose the much more sensible option of abseiling.
It was fun. Going down and actually going like this was much better than like going into the water.
I got to the front and the guy was like, you can either abseil or if you want just jump. Just jump, it's so high. Fun. We then spent the next hour sliding, abseiling and jumping, anything to make it down this river. The views are absolutely breathtaking. This camera does not do it justice. And by the end, even Asha was ready to do a jump. Not the biggest jump in the world, but for someone who's scared of water, quite impressive. What's next? Some of these abseils were absolutely huge. And even though this experience was there to test Ash's fear, right at the end, Andrea got me good. Good deal. The variety is really awesome. There's a few places to jump, a few places to abseil, a few places to slide, a little bit of walking, but no, all in all, really good experience. A gentle walk back and the adventure was at an end. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with friends, because the more you share, the more views you get, the more adventures we can go on. This adventure was booked through LOLgarda and you can find the links in the description. But for now, thank you very much for watching and we will see you in the next video. Salute!